बीजेपी आईपीएफटी गठबंधन सरकार के मंत्री मेबार कुमार जमातिया कल विधानसभा में अपना इस्तीफा सौंपने के बाद आज तिपरा मोथा पार्टी में शामिल हो गए। पार्टी सुप्रीमो ने अगरतला राजबाड़ी में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में घोषणा की। इस दिन मेबर कुमार जमातिया के अलावा गण मुक्ति परिषद से एक व्यक्ति तिपरा मोथा में शामिल हुए।
सबके नमस्कार। Thank you to everybody. Today I am really grateful to our Buvagra. As he has already explained, very brief about me. And as you all know, I have worked for many years, especially for the cause of our people. As a student leader, as a human rights activist, and lastly I joined politics. But my belief always is unity. Because I cry for unity for many, many years. You may all remember when I was General Secretary in Tipra, 1996. 96 I think was over. I was a convener and I called all the leaders, all the regional party leaders, including national party leaders, to 2 days convention in Kamsakupra. Still I remember. That time 2 days convention, tribal convention in Kamsakupra, Southern North. And all the leaders from different parties had responded. Still I remember Bikarankhol, that time is TNB, and TSPP, Dr. Koloi, TUGS, and our Lodis Deborma, even from CPM, Gonapati Porishot, all attended in a meeting. And TSF is the leading for this convention. I was a General Secretary. There we have a discussion at length, 2 days conference, tribal convention. Even from GMP also some of them attended. Because I believe without unity, we cannot do anything. As we say, united we stand, divided we fall. And Sin Bharas is always inviting us to unite together, as Thancha we call. So, first of all, I am really grateful to him for his initiative and for his vision. See, well, we are a small party, IPFT, Motha, or a small party, little party. What is our aim and object? Our aim and object is to unite together and to fight for the cause. As you all know, we have deprived for many years, 75 years we have deprived. And since 2009, we are raising our voice, the separate statehood demand. It is constitutional demand, as you all know. And we realize now, until unless we unite together, our demand, our aspiration will be not fulfilled. Because regional party and national parties was different, day and night. BJP, Congress, CPM, they are all national party. What is the demand? What is the demand of BJP? There is a development. Everybody wants development. Now BJP is demanding for CAA, NRC, CAA. But our demand is what? Separate state. Triple-N, integrated Triple-N. So our source is different, our demand is different, our ideology is different. So until unless we come together, our demand, our aspiration will not fulfill. And as a regional party, what are our main activities? To give pressure to the government. We are like NGO, we are like pressure group. We are not political party. Political party is different. BJP Congress is different. What is their aim and object? They want to become minister. They want to become MLA. This is their ultimate goal. But our goal is different. Our goal is to achieve something. Not individually, but as a group, as a nation.